Yeah. Happy birthday, America. Pittsburgh Marina. Yeah, baby. Ooh, yeah. Eat this Califas, baby. Oh, shit. Happy birthday, America. That's right, baby. Pittsburgh, California Marina. That's how we do it. 2025. Woo! Now all the boats. So the show is over, but Pittsburgh, that was pretty mediocre. Little do they know how we do up here in the hood. We about to have some fireworks going off all night. I'll show y'all in a minute. Hold on. So this is what I love about being me. I just met a really groovy guy. Happy 2025. We're gonna wait for the neighborhood to burn the houses down. No, they won't, I promise. Don't report this video. I promise nobody's gonna set fires. This is why I love where I live. The fireworks are here. We're all being safe, so everybody have a good night.